Beth and I had to change our propane regulator. All of a sudden went out. The way we discovered that, no hot water. We went to the local farm and ranch store, which was the best place to buy one on the weekend, of course, Sunday, and got a propane regulator. The problem is it did not come with a bracket. I couldn't get the bracket off our other one because the screws were frozen on. I had to grind them off, and then this bracket doesn't fit. I could drill new holes, but the hole pattern would not allow that. So I went to SendCutSend. That's my new favorite addiction. I drew a pattern up on CAD software. I used my laser just to cut out a bracket to see how that would work. It worked perfect. I sent the file to SendCutSend. Stainless steel, holes drilled, bent, perfect. Put it on here, perfect. SendCutSend, my new addiction. That's the last one. Metric, of course. Found that out the hard way. So metric Allen head cap screws, stainless steel, everything's stainless steel now. I'm gonna put our nut back on. I think I'm gonna have to bend the wings a little bit, but we'll see. Yep. All right, we are good to go. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, leave a comment. Beth and I are getting ready to hit the road, which is why we're doing this. Tag along.